Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. And right now, in yesterday's video, like I said if we got more likes than that previous video, then I would give out a membership to the one that had the best comments. And you know what, you guys blew it out of the water because we got 138 likes and over 800 views in yesterday's video. So congratulations to the big winner, AA. I pinned your comment in yesterday's video, so you can go check it out. You're gonna get a lifetime membership in the Crypto Mickey Discord. Congratulations, my friend. I'll actually read out the comment right now because it was very nice. It's a very nice comment that he left us, and he wrote, "Nice man, my fellow Canadian. I usually keep your BTC live streams going on one of my screens. I also appreciate the T videos updates you keep putting up on now, keeping it unbiased." And this is what I'm talking about, because we always keep our analysis unbiased. We see both sides of the trade, bullish and bearish, no matter which positions that we are currently in. And right now we are actually in a bit of a short right now. We shorted around this area and we are in a bit of a loss because due to this Bitcoin pump and the markets going up and the Nasdaq going up. But not to fear, we're very small amount of our portfolio and low leverage, so even if we do end up taking a loss, it's going to be a very minute loss, and our trading account will still be in profit. So right now Bitcoin looks to have come up from this lows. We didn't reach our target of 37,800. We got pretty damn close though. You guys can take a look at this chart right here, BTC TA2 chart. We basically came down to this yellow line around 38,125 and then took a bounce back up from there. Now let's take a look at that daily time frame on Bitcoin right here, and we can see that we have a beautiful bullish candle right now with a green dot and -5 on the DBSI right there and a 15 underneath. So things are looking quite bullish for Bitcoin. But again, that weekly time frame with that 24 and a -5 is still there, right? So things are still looking quite bearish on the weekly time frame. But we'll take a look at a scenario that could be happening, right? Maybe we are going to get a massive pump towards the upside as we go into this earning weeks. And if these earnings in the traditional markets are very positive, then we're going to get a significant pump in Bitcoin and a significant pump in the traditional markets as well, which would benefit us greatly. Now, as you can see right here in 2014, once we crossed into that red money flow right here, and we crossed right here in market cipher B, we did get a pump a couple weeks later to the upside. Now, how much of a pump was this was on? We had some bearish candles going down, and everyone thinking that the market's going to crash, and we cut into that red money flow. And look at that, from these levels right here, from 346, we had a pump of 31%. We pumped to the upside of 31% before starting to come down all the way down at the low of $152. Mind you, this took around 12 weeks to happen, right? Or 84 days, if you will. Now, it did not happen in 2017. 2017 was quite a flat time, and then we just had that big drop. Now in 2022, the year that we are in right now, we are getting some very bearish candles right now. But the thing is that we are we are very near support, or this giant bear flag right here. It doesn't mean we have to break it. It's very possible we get a huge pump towards the upside if the Nasdaq and the traditional markets start to pump towards the upside, as they are extremely oversold in my opinion. As we can see right here, the S&P 500 getting a beautiful green day, and the Nasdaq leading the sector, up over 1.29% on the day. So if we get some nice earning reports tomorrow, Microsoft is reporting earnings, I believe, and after close, and Google and Visa. So we're going to see some very big earnings there. UPS and I believe Waste Management are reporting before the open, so we'll just take a look at those as well. But again, those major ones, those market mover ones, are going to be Microsoft, Alphabet, and probably Visa as well. So we guys want to take a look at those. Those are going to be some really big stocks that are going to be moving the markets tomorrow. So right now Bitcoin's looking quite good, starting to calm down a little bit. It's very possible that we start to come back down and retest this low of around 40,000 or 39,900. Maybe we'll get some wicks underneath, but again, don't bet the farm on it. It's very possible we do start to push up some more, at which point our next resistance would be around 41,800. But again, On the BTCTA1 chart, we're probably going to see some of the resistance coming around 41,500. As we've seen before, this has acted as resistance, and then we broke through, came back down. And you can see in the past right here, it has acted as resistance before as well. So always take that into account before you're making your trades. Ethereum, on the other hand, getting a beautiful bounce from this low like I talked about yesterday, around exactly at 2,800, just a little bit underneath, a few dollars underneath. We had a wick down, and boom, from there we had a beautiful bounce on Ethereum at 2,800, up over 8%, or sorry, 7.5% at the moment. So congratulations to you guys. So in the Discord, you guys get access to all these charts and you get access to all my trades. Although our trade at the moment isn't in the green, I expect it to be in the green before we close it. Again, let's always take a look at the bigger picture. Hash ribbons are looking okay. They haven't crossed yet. No lag. It is a lagging indicator, so no capitulation yet. So things are looking quite good. Gold getting a big pullback down now to 1900. We just went underneath 1900 today. We went to 1896, around that area. But we closed above 1900, so things are looking quite good for gold. I still expect a little bit more of a pullback for gold. If gold could get around 1872 or even 1821, which would be my primary, my main target, then definitely, and I'd be starting to accumulate. So gold around 1871, and if silver, Kenny's been messaging me in the Discord. Kenny's starting to look at around 2350. So if silver can come a little bit lower, maybe it's around to 2350. It did get to 2350 today actually on the daily candle, but we didn't accumulate anything yet. We're just gonna have to wait a little bit more. Maybe silver is gonna get a little bit, one more move towards the downside. We're gonna start reaccumulating some silver stocks and some gold miners as well. But again, you guys will always want to take a look at the big trends in the economy. Inflation is still a significant problem. The rate hikes are getting accelerated, and right now the Fed is using the stock market as a short-term indicator of how the economy is going. And if the market starts to rally, the Fed is going to think, okay, the stock market isn't tanking anymore. Everything's okay. We can accelerate the pace of our rate hikes and keep increasing rates. Nothing bad is going to happen, and they're going to get to a point when the rate hikes get too much, and it's going to be the one that breaks the camel's back, and then you're going to get a massive capitulation in the markets, as the rates will be just too much for the markets. They won't be able to handle it. Earnings are going to collapse, and you're just going to see a big rollover there. And at which point the cryptocurrency markets are going to implode as well, but we'll see what happens, because right now you guys can see that the bond yields are spiking significantly at the moment, and the Fed is going to be issuing their next rate hike in May, I believe, and the Bank of Canada is planning their next rate hike in June. So we're just gonna have to see and wait. Time is on our side right now. Bitcoin back to 40,453. If we can hold this level of support, great. If we break back down, then I'm going to be looking at 37,800 again as a next buy target from there. But we'll see what happens. So depending on what earnings do tomorrow, I'm going to make some decisions on my trades. So I'll keep you guys posted there. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for your support and your likes in the video. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're at 9,360 subscribers. Once we get to 10,000, you guys already know we're going to do that $1,000 giveaway. Love you guys. Peace. If you guys haven't already, you guys can join the Discord. Links in the description. Also, you guys can also join on bigettrading.com. Links in the description. Helps support the channel. Peace.